Okay, here's the Gilbert Banjo Clock. All repaired, cleaned, assembled, and adjusted. It's been working on the test stand dry for 24 hours. And here it's shown the springs connected, the little tension springs connected, and the clock's oiled. So it's running pretty well. It came out really nice. And let me just demonstrate the count wheel. I know it's not a good picture, but we'll see how. It's in warning right now, so it's not going to go off. But there you go. Be putting the case here in just a couple days.